No ice cream machine, no fancy equipment, just pure mango goodness. If you're a mango lover, this recipe is about to become your new favorite. So let's get started. First, take 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1/4 cup corn flour in a saucepan. Mix everything well before turning on the heat so there are no lumps. Now place it over medium flame and keep stirring continuously. This step is important because constant stirring gives you a smooth and creamy base. As the mixture heats up, you'll notice it slowly starting to thicken. Let it come to a gentle boil while stirring, then cook until you get a nice, thick, silky consistency. Once it's perfectly thick, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Now cover the surface with plastic wrap, making sure it touches the mixture. Place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to chill. After 1 hour, take the chilled mixture out and give it a good mix with a spoon until it's smooth again. Transfer it to a blender jar. Now add 1 ripe, sweet mango. The sweeter and juicier your mango is, the better your ice cream will taste. Blend everything until you have a smooth, creamy, and beautiful golden mango mixture. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Pour the mixture into an airtight container and gently tap it on the counter to remove any trapped air bubbles. Cover the container and place it in the freezer for 3 hours. After 3 hours, take the ice cream out. It will be partially frozen. Using a fork, gently stir and break up the ice crystals. This little trick helps create a softer, creamier texture. Now transfer everything back into the blender and blend once more until smooth and fluffy. Pour the mixture back into the airtight container, cover it tightly, and freeze it again for 8 hours or overnight. This second blending step is the secret to getting that perfectly creamy, scoopable ice cream without using an ice cream machine. And now comes the best part. Take the ice cream out of the freezer and carefully unmold it. Look at that rich, creamy texture, so smooth and absolutely irresistible. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped pistachios for a delicious crunch and a beautiful presentation. Scoop it into your favorite bowl or cone, serve immediately, and enjoy every creamy, fruity bite of this homemade mango ice cream. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.